Good morning, students. In module first, I will discuss some basic of chapter 12, area related to a circle. So, first of all, you see, what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle, you know very well, pi r square. Clear? And then, second, circumference of the circle. Circumference, this one. Perimeter of the circle is called pi d, or diameter is equal to beta. Diameter is equal to twice of radius. So if you put here diameter is equal to 2r, then you can write the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Here you can define pi also. Pi d is equal to c and pi is equal to c upon d. You can say that pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter of the circle, and the value of pi is 22 upon 7 approximate, or you can say 3.14. Now next one. Next one is area of the sector. First of all, you see what is sector. The sector is area bounded by these two radii and this corresponding arc. Arc means this APB. It is an arc. The area of this area bounded by two radii and corresponding arc, or you can say OAPB. OAPB. It is called minor sector, and this one is called major sector. Clear? And how can you find the area of the sector? OAPB, when theta is this, r is this. Clear? And theta upon 360 into pi r square. Clear? And we can find like this, if by unitary method you can find if angle is 360. If angle is 360, then area of circle you know very well. Complete is pi r square. If theta is 1 degree, pi r square upon 360. If angle is theta, multiply by theta. Theta upon 360 pi r square. Clear? So area of sector, theta upon 360 pi r square. And area of this major sector also pi r, theta upon 360 pi square, and theta is this one beta. Theta is 360 minus theta. You can, if you want to find the area of major sector, either you find this angle, this one, otherwise you can put like this, 360 minus theta upon 360 pi r square. Clear? And length of an arc. Arc beta APB. This is an arc. How can you find the length of this arc when radius and theta is given? Theta, length of an arc APB की length होगी बेटा theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Similarly, you can find with the help of this one, if angle is 360, then perimeter is 2 pi r. If theta is 1, then 2 pi r upon 360. If angle is theta, then theta upon 60 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Theta upon 60 into 2 pi r. Now, next one is area of minor segment. What is segment? The segment, this one beta. It is a circle and it is a chord. The area bounded by this chord and corresponding arc, this one, is called segment. It is called minor segment, or it is called major segment. The question is, how can you find the area of minus segment theta upon 60 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. This one beta. Okay, area of this segment you can find theta upon 60 pi r square means area of sector OAPB minus area of this triangle. This triangle is OAB. Or you can write also area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Clear? So area of minus segment if angle is theta is less than or equal to 90, you can put here. If theta is 90 degree, then it is a right angle triangle. You can, if it is a right angle triangle, then you can write theta upon 60 pi r square minus right triangle half of base into height. Clear? Then area of major segment, area of circle minus area of minor segment. If you want to find area of this one, major segment, then area of circle minus area of minor segment. Then what is the area of semicircle? Area of circle is pi r square. Semi means beta half. Area of semicircle 1 upon 2 pi r square. Clear? And area of quadrant. What is quadrant? This one. These diameter divide this circle into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. 1 upon 4th of the circle. So area of quadrant is equal to 1 upon 4 area of circle pi r square. And then area of rectangle, you know very well, L into B. Area of a square, side square. Area of right triangle, beta half of base into height. And diagonal of square is ABCD square, and diagonal of square, this one is root 2 into side. If you want to find, if you use here Pythagoras theorem, if it is A, then you can find root 2 into A by Pythagoras theorem. And hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle. If ABC is an isosceles right triangle, means two sides, this base and perpendicular are equal. How can you find if it is A? If it is A, then by Pythagoras theorem you can find hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle root 2 into A, root 2 into side, because these two are same beta. It is also a right angle isosceles right triangle, and it is also a right angle triangle. And then area of an equilateral triangle between root 3 upon 4 side square, remember it. And here area of ring, this one beta. It is a bigger circle and it is the smaller circle. These circle are called concentric circle. If this is small, this radius of bigger circle capital R and radius of smaller circle is R, then it is a ring. How can you find the area of ring? Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. And if ring is this one, half of the circle, you can put here half of pi r square minus half of pi small r square. So if you know very well, if this theta, if here theta is, you see minus segment again, if here theta is 90 degree, then if theta is 90 degree, it is a quadrant beta. So you can put the formula of minus segment, area of minus segment, area of this one, if it is 90 degree, it is a quadrant, area of quadrant minus area of right triangle, because this is 90 degree. Area of quadrant minus area of right triangle. If here theta is 60 degree, then this also be 60 degree, it is also be 60 degree. It is an equilateral triangle because these two angle will be equal and this is 60 degree. Then it is OAB is an equilateral triangle. Then you can put the formula of area of this minus segment equal to theta upon 60 pi r square minus this triangle is an equal triangle, root 3 upon 4 side square. So like this you can revise this formula and learn this formula. First one I repeat again: area of circle pi r square, area of semicircle half of pi r square, area of quadrant 1 upon 4th of the circle 1 upon 4 pi r square, circumference of the circle pi d, or you can say 2 pi r because diameter is equal to twice of radius. Area of sector, this area of sector OAPB minus sector theta upon 60 pi r square. Length of the arc, this one APB की length beta theta upon 60 into 2 pi r. Then area of minus segment theta upon 60 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. And I have told you if this angle is theta is 90 degree, then you can put here area of quadrant minus area of right triangle. If theta is 60 degree, you can put theta upon 60 pi r square minus root 3 upon 4 sine square area of an equilateral triangle. Then area of major segment equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. This I have told. Remember this formula: area of rectangle will be L into B, area of square side square, area of right triangle half the base into height, diagonal of square root into side. And this very important formula: hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle equal to root into side. Otherwise you can use Pythagoras theorem. And this is also very important formula: area of an equal triangle root 3 upon 4 side square, or area of ring you know very well, pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Thank you, students.